Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your March 2021 add-on kits. So there is a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on that coordinates with your flavors of the month so that it can go even further. And if you remember, the Shots of Life also coordinates. So if you're just doing pocket page scrapbooking and you get the Shots of Life, then you can look at this for an add-on for it. As you can tell, we have some beautiful collections this month and lots of extra options. So let's dig in and we're going to take a closer look at each one of the add-ons available. So the first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So I leave them like this so that you can see how well they coordinate with each one of the collections, as well as what you might be able to mix and match together between the four collections. So for Doodlebug, Made with Love, our cardstock is 1 sheet of taffy and 2 sheets of lemon. For Welcome Spring from Echo Park, you have a sheet of butter and 2 sheets of cherry. From Tula and Norbert's Lucky Charms, we have 1 sheet of pine and 2 sheets of apricot. And then from Pretty Little Studio, the Miss Sadie Rose, you get 1 sheet of Petal Soft, that beautiful pink, and 2 sheets of aqua. So lots of extra options for cardstock. That's 3 for each one of the 4 collections. So you can have more backgrounds or matting your photos or some die cuts, whatever you like to do with your cardstock. So next, let's look at the patterned paper. So the pattern paper add-on gives you 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these repeat, they're 2 additional patterns. So for Made with Love from Doodlebug, we have the tags. I love these because you get all of the sweet icons and they're really quick to make cards or even tags for gifts. So many options with them. You can also fussy cut and make your embellishments, but the back are blank so that you can have blank tags to design whatever you want or use them for journaling spots. So I love that. And also all of the prints, most of them you can use for any collections all throughout the year. Your other paper is this one called Flour and Sugar. And it's a beautiful floral in all of the different colors. The background are the border strips, so these are always a lot of fun to cut apart and embellish pages with. So we have, eggs, those are super cute. All of the little baking utensils, the canisters, milk and cookies, just super yum. From Welcome Spring and Echo Park, we have this paper that has all of the rain boots. The back is a pink plaid. This paper is called Rain Boots. We have this one that's florals on the bluish kind of turquoise background. This one is the 3x4 journaling cards. So again, lots of options for titles, tucking in and layering. This one doesn't have anything on it, so it's a great little layering piece of paper. From Tula and Norbert's Lucky Charm, we have this one called Bagpipes, which is the 4-leaf clover. And we have the tartan plaid on the back with green and black. And then another plaid with the lighter green. And this one with the 4-leaf clovers. And this paper is called 4-leaf clover. From Pretty Little Studio and Miss Sadie Rose, we have this gorgeous paper. This is Bows, and the back is a blue plaid. The branding strip is a blue with white polka dot. And we have this that's super cute. It's kind of this lace trim, scalloped border in all of the different colors. And the back is a blue and white polka dot with a blue gingham branding strip. So one more look at your pattern paper. I know you're going to want to get this added on. I love my pattern paper, and I know you guys do too. So that's a look at all of the additional pattern papers. The next add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. So we have some washi tape from Doodlebugs. This is called Paper Lace. Get 12 yards of it, that beautiful aqua lace. perfect. And lots of these will go with any of the collections. Then you're also going to get an alphabet from Doodlebug. So this one is the My Type alphabet. It has uppercase and lowercase in the black as well as numbers. For the Echo Park Spring is in the Air, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a couple of border strips down here. We have the aqua with polka dot and one with florals, some banners. Love this little piece here. It's just a little cluster of flowers growing with a tree. Lots of little icons that you could build a scene with. So that's always a lot of fun. And this banner up here as well as this one that could come off the side of a page with the birdhouses and the bird. We have that farm truck, a wreath, just so many beautiful icons. Then for Pretty Little Studio, Miss Sadie Rose, you're going to get some rose stickers. So this is the package of them. There's 18 stickers. We have some that are just black and white drawn and then some in the florals. And then also I want to point out the packaging here has these beautiful florals. So if you love fussy cutting, there's you a whole lot of more roses that you could fussy cut and embellish with. So that's a lot of fun. So that is your embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or all 3. And then while you're adding, be sure to check out the store because there's lots of individual items available in the store and you can have those shipped right along with your kit. Check out all the other kits available. We have a smaller double shot kit, we have a card kit, and the Shots of Life kit. Don't forget that Shots of Life coordinates with the flavors of the month, so it's a great add-on as well. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.